Hello everyone, I am Subhrajit Sahoo, Assistant Professor in Narasimha Engineering College. I welcome all to my channel. Today in this video I am going to discuss about this interesting topic. The topic name is sorting of elements, right? Sorting of elements. So before going into this topic, let me give you some examples where this sorting concept actually we are utilizing or we are using. In everyday day-to-day life, we are very much, using this sorting technique every day in our day-to-day life because we are using the mobile phone, right? In the mobile phone, in the contact list, right? In the contact list, whenever we are adding any number of our friend, we are adding the number randomly, but automatically when we are opening the contact list or phone book in our mobile, those contact lists are already in the sorted manner. See, this is one example. See, first all the names A, then B, like this, then C, D. Automatically the name will be arranged alphabetically from A to Z, right? So how it is happening, sir? Automatically it is happening by executing internally some programs, sorting mechanisms is executing in our phone. Though we are adding the contact to our phone randomly, but it is storing in a sorted manner, sorted way in the contact list or in the phone book, right? This is one example. Second example I will give you where we are using the sorting technique means, suppose this is a Excel, Microsoft Excel. Here I will write some number randomly 10, 4, 56, 8, 90, right? 3, -5, like these. Several numbers I have written here, right? Now, what are the number I entered here? These are not in order, neither in ascending nor in descending orders. Then what I will do, if I want to sort, I will select all, then right click, 1 minute. I will select all, right click. Here sort option is there, SORT, sort options. And here sort option, sort A to Z alphabetically from A to Z or Z to A. Or see, please select cell, color on top. Put like this, several options are coming. Suppose I will do A to Z, 1 minute. Sort here smallest to largest, largest to smallest, like this. I will click on that. See, my number is sorted. First -5 is the smallest, then 3, 4, 8, 10, and 90 is the biggest, like this came. Again, if I'll right click on sort and largest to smallest, this is 90 came to top, then -5 came to bottom, like this. So how it is happening? How it is happening? Because this Microsoft Excel is a software where sorting mechanism program is executing internally. That's why all these listed number are sorted in ascending or descending orders. Not only this one, I'll give one more example you. What is the example mean? Suppose 1 minute. What are the screen sharing? United Print C note. Okay. Okay. Suppose I will give open this one. See, here number of files are here. RA1, RA2, RA, like this. Number of PDF file, Word file are there. But right now these are sorted in alphabetically. Starting is A, then C, then D. The first letter you observe F, L, like this. Here I will do the right click and here sort by option is there. Here ascending is already selected. If I do descending, see, automatically you started, right? Descending order it is started. Once again, I will click on sort, then ascending again as it is previous type it is written, right? So how it is happening, sir? This Windows, this operating system also internally executing the program of sorting mechanisms, right? So in every day, in our day-to-day life, we are using, in any means we are using the sorting mechanisms, right? So now, how this sorting mechanism is working, what are the different types of sorting mechanisms, I will tell in this video. First, I just told you how or what are the practical cases or what are the situations where sorting mechanism we are using, right? Generally, there are six type of sortings are there. First one is selection sort. Second one is bubble sort. Third one is insertion sort. Fourth one is heap sort. Heap, not him, heap sort. Heap sort. And fifth one is quick sort. Right? Quick sort. And next one is mod sort is there. Mod sort. So these are the several six type of sorting mechanism is there in every programming language. Actually, it is a topic of data structure, but in the programming language, this concept also is there, right? So, so the variety types of sorting mechanisms are there. We will discuss one by one what are the sorting mechanisms. Today, I will take the first one, selection sort. Okay, selection sort. I will explain through example. Selection sort. What is the selection sort? What is the working style, and how we can write the programs? Everything in details I will tell slowly. Observe carefully. Suppose I am taking a array. Array name is, I'm taking one array. Array name is suppose A. A, and it contains four elements. Suppose. Okay, control Z, 1 minute. Two. Okay. So four elements, four cell I have taken. Suppose first cell contain. Here I will do the sorting in ascending order, smaller to bigger. Let me take the number first 9 or 19. You take, no problem, 19. Next number you take suppose 15. Next number you are taking suppose 9. Okay. Next number I am taking suppose 1. Right. This is already arranged in a order, descending order, but I will make it ascending order, right? I will make it ascending order, smaller to bigger. How it is through the selection sort, we will try to understand this one. Observing selection sort, what happened? This is the index number 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 2, and this is 3. This one is 3, index number, right? Now this one is a 2. It's not looking like 2, right? 2. Okay. 1 minute. This mouse is not. Okay. This is 2. Okay. Now it is a good 2, right? Now in the selection sort, what will be happen, sir? Very simple technique is here. First, 0 cell element will be compared with 1 cell element. Okay. 0 cell will compare with 1 cell. If the 0 cell element is bigger than 1 cell element, right now 19 is the 0 cell, which is bigger than 1 cell element, which is 15. If it is bigger, then you do swapping. That means you shift the 1 cell to 0 cell, and 0 cell to 1 cell. You shift like this, you shift. If it is bigger, then shift, swap. If it is not, then don't swap. Keep it as it is, right? Now, after this work is over, then what I will do? Again, I will compare 0 cell with 2 cell. Okay, 0 cell with 2 cell. Then same situations, same conditions you have to follow. If it is bigger than 0 cell, then swap it, otherwise not. Like this, 0 cell with 3 cell. Okay, 0 cell with 3 cell. So after this checking, what will be happen, sir? Observe carefully. When I check the 0 with 1, then it is shifted. 15 is shifted to 0 cell, 19 came to 1 cell. And when I again checked with 0 with 2 cell, again 9 will go to first cell. Okay, let me write first here. So after this checking, first checking 0 with 1, my arrangement become 15, 19 and 9 and 1. Okay, then again 0 cell with 1 cell I have to check. 0 cell with 2 cells, sorry, 0 cell. 0 cell means 15 with 2 cell means 9. Sir, if 15 is bigger than 9, yes, it is bigger than, then exchange. 9 will go to 15 and 15 will come to 9 place. So after this check, my arrangement become 9, 19, 15 and 1. Then finally you check with this 0 cell with third cell, 3 number cell, 3 index cell. So 3 index cell 1 is there and 0 cell 9 is there, and 9 is bigger than 1. So if it is bigger, what I told you, swap it. Then 1 will go to 9 position and 9 will come to 1 position. So after this one, what will be happen? The final 1, 19, 15 and 9. Now after this one, to the right side, no element is there. All elements cover. In one attempt, starting from 0 to 3, I travel and one element cover, and I got this result. After this first attempt, I got this result, but it is not my answer because it is not sorted properly, right? Then what I have to do? Second time, once again, I have to sort this element. Second time, once again, I have to sort. First time, after sorting from left to right till end of the all elements, I got this result, which is not my answer exactly. Then what I have to do? Second time, I have to do. So after the first attempt, this is my result. What is the result, sir? After the first attempt? After the first attempt, the result become like this. First attempt, the result came 1, 19, 15 and 9. Okay, it is not my answer because still it is not sorted. Then what I will do? One more important point you have to observe here. After this first attempt, what happened? Observe the first cell index, 0 cell index. 1 is there. That means 1 is already at its proper position. Among all these elements, 1 is the smallest one, and the 1 should be at the beginning. So already after the first attempt, 1 is at the beginning. So when I will go for the second attempt, I will ignore this cell. Because already 1 is sorted, 1 is at proper position. Then no need to consider 1. Consider from second cell onwards, right? Now this is the index 0, this is index 1, this is index 2, this is index 3. So 0 cell index I will ignore. 0 cell index, 0 cell element I will ignore. I will start from 1. Same procedure I will do. I will check 1 with 2. Okay, I will check 1 with 2. Sir, 1 place 19, 2 place 15. 2 index cell 15. So 19 is bigger, so swap it. So 15 will go to this place. Okay, 15 will go to this place and 9 will come to this place. Right, like this. Then after this one, what is the result I will get, sir, I will get 1, 15, 19 and 9. Okay, now then what I will do, sir, then I will check one with one cell element with 3 cell. Okay, one cell element with 3 cell. One cell element nothing but 15 right now, and 3 cell element 9. Is it bigger? 15 is bigger? Yes. Then once again you exchange. Once again exchange means then I will get here 1, 9, 19 and 15. So after this one, after the third cell element, is there any element to right side? No, no element right side. So this is the answer I got in the second attempt. All element cover. Second attempt I got this answer. Okay, this answer. But it is not my correct answer because still it is unsorted. It is not sorted. But after the second attempt, if I observe this one, sir, 0 cell 1 is there, which is at proper position, and 9 second cell which is at also proper positions. Then I have to go for the third attempt. So in the second attempt, what result I got, sir? In the second attempt, I got the result. This one. 1, 9, 19 and 15. Right? Now here index are 0, index are 0, 1, 2 and 3. And in this third attempt, what I will do, I will skip the 0 cell, I will skip the 1 cell because those two element 1 and 9 is at their proper position. Okay, after the second attempt checking, second pass checking, already 1 is sorted and 9 is also sorted. So when I will go for the third attempt, because third attempt, why I am going, sir? Because my array is not sorted till now. So I will skip the 0 cell and 1 cell. Then to what I will check, sir? I will check this 2 cell with 3 cell. Okay. And this is last cell because after this checking there is no element right side. So 2 cell, 3 cell, 19, 15. Is 19 is bigger? Yes, bigger. Then X swap. 19 go to here and 15 come to here. Right? 15 will come to here. And what answer I am going to get here after this one? 1, 9, 15 and 19, and this is my correct answer, right? This is my correct answer. So in this way the selection sort is working, and finally I got the result. Sir, how to write in program? Very simple. Observe carefully. I will tell very slowly how to write in program. First observe here, sir. I will take one variable left side and another variable I will take right side, right? Now see, in the first attempt, this is my first attempt, this is my second attempt, and this is my third attempt. In the first attempt, left side value was 0, 0 compared with 1, 0 compared with 2, and 0 compared with 3. 0 cell compared with 1 cell, 2 cell, and 3 cell. So what I will do, so left value is 0, this compared with 1, 2, and 3. Right, in the first attempt. In the second attempt, I skipped the 0 cell and I took the 1 cell. So left value, and I compared 1 with 2 and 1 with 3. So left cell value is 1. It is compared with 2 and 3. Right. Next, in the third attempt, 0 cell and 1 cell is skipped. Then I compared 2 with 3. So left value is 2. Left value is 2. 1 minute. Left value is 2 and right value I compared with 3. Right. This is my logic. Just what I have explained through this diagram. This is the final logic I got. Now, in this case, observe carefully. In this case, I will take this I variable, okay, I, and R, I will take R, J variable, j. Okay. Then I will write the program. See, and here how many element in the array, sir? How many element? 19, 15, 9 and 1. Total 4 element. Total 4 element. Can I write n equal to number of element? How much? 4. 4 element is there. Okay, n equal to 4 right now for this current example, n equal to 4. Now observe, I will write for loop. For this is I. Okay, I variable. I have taken I variable. What is the starting value of I, sir? 0. So for I equal to 0, semicolon. And I, in the first attempt, I 0. In the second attempt, I become 1. In the third attempt, I become 2. Okay. Then my I should be first time 0, second time 1, and third time 2. Sir, what is my n value? 4. And what is the I value? Last I value 2. Can I say the I value will be travel, or I value will be increase up to n minus 2. N minus 2. N minus 2. See, I value is 0, I value is 1, I value is 2. How to get, sir? What is the n value? 4. 4 minus 2, how much? 4 minus 2, 2. So I value is less than equal to 2 will come. Here also diagrammatically 2 is there. That's why I have written n minus 2. Then I plus plus. So by writing this one, in the first attempt I value is 0. In the first attempt I value is 0. Then I plus plus I value become 1. Then I plus plus I value become 2. Okay, the here same thing I have written 0, 1, 2, right? So this is the code I have written. Next, what I will do, sir? Next, second for loop, for bracket start j equal to, what is the j value, right? What is the j value here? Observe carefully. Sir, this is my I value. This is my I value all are, and this is my j starting value 1, 2, 3. If I'll observe, when I value 0, that time j value is 1. When I value is 1, that time j value starting is 2. When I value is 2, then j value starting is 3. Right? J value starting is 3. That means what is the relation between I and j, sir? Every time j value is 1 bigger than I value. So when 0, it is 1. How much bigger, sir? 1 bigger. It is 1 and j value is 2. What is how much bigger, sir? 1 bigger. It is 2, I value 2 and j value is 3. Every time j value is 1 bigger than I value, then I can write here j equal to I plus 1. J equal to I plus 1. Right? Then semicolon. Sir, j value continue up to j value starting value is I plus 1. 1 when 0, 1 when 1, then 2 when 2, so I plus 1. Then what is the j ending value, sir? J ending value is, I will write here j less than equal to observe carefully. What is the ending value? Sir, in this case, j started 1, then 2, then 3 is the ending value. In this case, j started 2 and 3 is the ending value. In this case, j started 3 and 3 is the ending value. So every time j ending value is 3 or not? J ending value is 3 or not in this current example? Yes, 3. What is the n value, sir? 4. And 3 means, can I write j less than equal to n minus 1? N value is 4, minus 1 is 3. So n minus 1, 4 minus 1 is 3. Simple logic, j plus plus. Right? J plus plus. Then what I will do, sir? Then bracket start, condition check. If, what condition, sir? What I am doing every time here, observe carefully. What I am doing, sir? I am checking 0 with 1, 0 with 2, 0 with 3, 1 with 2, 1 with 3. That means I am checking the I value with j value, I value with j value, I value with j value in the first attempt. Again, I value with j value in I value with j value in the second attempt. Again, I value with j value. So can I write like this? Very simple logic. I will write here a of I is greater than A of J. Okay. A of I is greater than A of J. If so, if A of I is bigger, if A of I is bigger, that means left side value is bigger, then what we have done, sir? We have done swapping here. 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 Then swap it. And already you know how to swap. 3, 4 logic I had told for swapping. Then how to swap, sir? Very simple. Bracket start. I'll write here temporary variable. I will take temp equal to A of I. Semicolon. In one line I'm writing, below no space is there. In one line I'm writing. And A of I equal to A of J. Okay, A of J. And finally, A of J equal to temp. Okay, A of temp. Now, bracket close. If bracket close, second for loop bracket close, first for loop bracket close. My program logic is over. By writing this code in the program, what will be happen? My array will be sorted from smallest to biggest. After that, I will write the code for display. Now it is sorting is done. Now I have to display now. Then I'll go to direct to the program, and here I will write the same logic. Observe carefully, sir. Very simple and interesting also. 1 minute. Okay. What I'm doing, sir? I'm taking one variable integer array of suppose 50. Size is 50. Okay, size is 50, comma j n number of element and temp. This much variable is required. Temp. Okay. So I declare a array of size 50 and I will decide the number of element by the variable n. Right? That's why I have taken n also. So give message here. Printf enter value of n. Okay, enter value of n. Simple. Then scanf use scanf percentile d comma ampersand n. Right now element finalized. Okay, element is finalized. Number of element 4, 5, 6, whatever you want, you can give. Right. So in our current example, just before explanation, we have taken 4. So this program also will take 4. Now after this one element finalized, I have to enter the element 4 element to that array A. So I'll give a message puts enter elements to array. 4 element, or what is the n value, that much element I will give. Or you can write percentile d element n also, no problem. Several times you are writing like this logic also. So this time I'm writing. So suppose n value is 4, then 4 elements I have to enter. Sir, 4 elements I have to enter means that 4 elements should be read by scanf function. So scanf function should be written 4 times. So what is the alternate instead of 4 times? So use loop statement for I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. And write 1 time scanf function scanf percentile d comma ampersand a of I. That's it. Now 4 element reading work is over. Now see, observe alt F9. Sir, any error? No error. Control F9. Now see what is asking, sir. Enter n values are 4. Okay. What are the elements I have to read? Suppose 19. Okay. 15. Okay. 9 and 1. 4 element I read. So up to element reading in the blue screen, I have written the code program. But sorting program and display program I have not written. That's why I see no output is coming. No output. Because up to till the element reading, I have written the code. Then what is the next step, sir? I have to sort. How to sort? Very simple. This same logic I have to write. This code I have to write. This much code I will write in the blue screen. Observe carefully. Same thing. What I am writing, sir? For I equal to 0, I less than equal to n minus 2. Okay, n minus 2 I plus plus. Why it is n minus 2? Already I told there, explained there, right? And for second for loop, j equal to I plus 1. Why I plus 1 also very important, I told this one also. And j less than equal to n minus 1. These things also I told. Now j plus plus. Simple, very simple. Now bracket start. If a of I is greater than a of j. Okay, a of I is greater than a of j. If so, then temporary variable already at the top I declare. Right here, temp equal to a of I. A of I equal to a of j. Swapping technique, I hope you know. If you don't know, please observe look the previous videos. And a of j equal to temp. Swapping is done. Now R is sorted. Now one more bracket close, one more bracket close. Three bracket. Now one is if bracket and two are two for loop bracket. After this one, I have to display. Then for displaying four elements, again use for loop. For I equal to 0, I less than n. I less than n, I plus plus. Okay, I plus plus. Right? I equal to then printf. I have to display now. So printf percentile d comma don't take d, take 3d. Some space will come, right? 3d or 2d, 4d, whatever you take. And a of I. Okay. Now my code is over. Now see get stage is there or not? Get stage is there. Programming and alt F9. Sir, any error? No error. Control F9. What is asking? Enter the value of n. So first number of element, how many you want to enter to the array gives us. So this time 5, suppose 5. Okay. Enter elements to array. So first element suppose 19. Second element 5 element I have to enter because element I have given 5. 15. Third element suppose 11, 9 and 3. Okay. Now see, are is sorted or not? 3, 9, 11, 15, 19. Purely sorted from ascending order, sort them smaller to bigger at control left hand. Now this time I am giving suppose 7 and randomly I am taking the value minus 5, 89, 56, 3 element over minus 45, 0, 3 to 5 element over, right? Then 23, how many? 6 element, one more element give, suppose 78. Now randomly given. Now see whether it is sorting or not. See, first minus 45 is the lowest element, smallest element, then minus 5, then 0, 23, 56. This is the logic for selection sort. And I hope this concept also, what I explained here in this paint software, that concept also you clearly understood, right? And one more important thing, what the question asking in the exam, the question coming in the exam like this. Okay, write algorithm for selection sort. Write an algorithm for selection sort. Explain with suitable example and programs. So program, no doubt you have to write this blue screen program here, right? If this blue screen program you have to write, and algorithm for that step 1, step 2, step 3. What I explained here, same thing I have written in steps. Very simple. Step 1, read an element 1 array which is unsorted. So I read 9, 4, 12, 2. Example also. Okay. Then I arrange in the block. So 0 index, 1 index, 2 index, 3 index. Then what? Take I equal to 0 and j equal to I plus 1. There also I told. And do comparison a of I with a of j. If a of I is greater than a of j, then swap. Okay. Same thing what I told I have written here. And swap the elements available in I location and j locations. Okay, else don't swap. If it is not so, then don't swap, right? Then here example. So 9, 4. First I swapped. So it become 4, 9. Okay, 9, 4. 0 location 9. 1 location 4. So 9 is bigger than 4. So it should be swapped. So 4, 9 it is swapped. When I equal to 0, j equal to 1. Then step 3. Increment the j value. Increment the j value until j equal to n minus 1. I have written there n minus 1, right? And repeat step 2. Same step 2 you repeat. Same 2 you repeat. Okay. Then the result in the first iteration, see. So 4, 9, 12. Then 0 with 2, 4, 12. Okay, 4, 12. No need to swap, right? Because 4 is the what? Smallest one. So return is like this. Then 4 is the 2. 4 is the 2. So 2 is the smallest now, it should be swapped. So see, 2 came to first, 4 came to last, right? So after that, increment the I value. I value become 1. I value as 0. All these things happen in 0. Then 1, then 2, 3. Then repeat the step 2, 3. The result after second iteration. Second iterations is what? This one is the second iteration. Okay, still what? It is not sorted. Then repeat step 4 until I equal to n minus 2. I have written, and finally the result is this one. So this is the algorithm with example, and this is the program. It is a 10-mark question, right? It is a 10-mark question. So you have to write algorithm with example and program also. Then you will get the 10 mark. It is so easy. Practice at least 2 to 3 times. It will become very easy, just like a child's play. And in the next video, I will discuss about the another sorting technique. So till then, take care and bye.